Hi, Brenda. We are on Learning Plan 4, collecting digital marketing research. So, digital research can really back up assumptions that startup business owners tend to have while entering these beginning stages of opening their company. And it can be really tough because there's usually a love and a passion lying behind these business ideas or new product ideas that they maybe have had for years and they're finally making their dream or their vision come to life. So there's a lot of emotion there, and they may not want to see the negative side or the actual analytical data behind their research and to see if there's a market out there for their product and if it's really needed, if it's something that can be successful. So that's tough, but it's a step that everyone really does need to follow so that they can make sure that they're doing everything that they can to ensure that this product is what people will use. So using Google AdWords, I think focused around LTC's campus or education standards, may be the only way that we could drive traffic. But that being said, it would probably be traffic driven to LTC's website. We could try to drive traffic to the cafeteria's page, but I think that would be something that we would need to develop beforehand because right now it's really just the hours and limited information on their page. I think we could put all of the products out there, weekly specials, these new products that we are integrating into the cafeteria, and we could maybe drive traffic that way, but web presence isn't something that we're hugely focused on at this point, so that may be a little difficult. Um, and again, I don't think that the cafeteria is what we really want to highlight, but rather the variety of our programs and our academic excellence that we have at LTC. So that one's a little tricky. And then for Facebook, I think it would be really smart to use the group feature. There are many marketing implementations that we have to make at LTC surrounding this campaign. For example, the ads that will be broadcasted on the TVs that you see all over campus, as well as just like posters that we need to get out, and those need to be designed. So using Facebook group would be a really great way that everyone could collaborate on that. And then Facebook would be a cheaper and more efficient way to get the word out. And our target audience still consists of students and faculty. So even having a page like LTC Cafeteria, we could promote these new additions. But we would need a responsible student or staff member as well to stay on top of that page and run it and have the proper knowledge on how to respond to negative reviews or remarks, for example. We want to make sure that we respond to that in a timely manner because that's something that the public could potentially see, and again, that could reflect on LTC's behalf as well. So we want to make sure that whoever is in charge of that has all the information that they need and will be responsible to stay on top of everything that's expected of them for that page. I also think that this Facebook group would be a great platform for us to discuss future products and just to kind of monitor how the entire situation is going, what we can do differently, just bounce ideas off of each other, and then also keep everyone up to date on the current projects that we're doing and where we are at in the process of that. And I think this could really bring different students together, and whoever's really interested, it would show, and if they wanted to get involved with this, it would be a great extracurricular for anyone who's interested. So I think that would be the best use for Facebook. As far as the research aspect of these platforms, again, with our lack of web presence, it's kind of hard to use these platforms to really see how we could use that to our benefit, but it is doable. And as far as keywords and SEO, I think that's very important. And again, that could drive traffic to that potential cafeteria webpage that we would create as well. So that's definitely something to think about. And then a Google Consumer Barometer. So that seems like a really amazing tool for the use of new products or ideas and can definitely be crucial for marketing research. Campaign planning for a new product that has a range of customers across several countries, for instance, would be a great way to start and use this platform to help you with that. And increasing our digital presence is a goal for our campaign, but for now, these products will be delivered through a brick and mortar setting, so it's not very important for us to focus on things like that. And then Amazon has great insights as well and resources for other products, but my idea doesn't really suit it well. Then Google Market Finder helps companies identify new markets and grow globally. So this goal is pretty much unattainable for our product and the introduction of these new gluten-free and high-protein products in the cafeteria. So it doesn't really suit it well, but making LTC's cafeteria known for their quality products could make it more of a restaurant that people may want to stop and eat at. And I think that may be a good idea for expansion because you would be drawing in the population outside of LTC. This would pose a risk, and we would maybe need to up our security measures on campus, which I'm not sure that we would want to do for sure. But it's definitely somewhere that we could grow. Having a future in mind of where we could take this would be really great. I know that part of LTC's culinary program that's in Sheboygan, they get a lot of interaction from the public, and they love their food that they're putting out and the meals that they put together, and that's really popular. So if the cafeteria got to this point, that's maybe something that we could think about doing.